Module Overview. Curriculum evaluation is a systematic process of assessing the value, effectiveness, relevance, and efficiency of a curriculum in achieving its intended goals and outcomes. It is an indispensable part of the curriculum development cycle, providing critical feedback that informs decisions about revision, refinement, and policy direction. In this module, you will explore the foundational theories, evaluation models, types of curriculum evaluation, and tools and metrics used to assess both process and product in curriculum practice. Emphasis is placed on both formative, ongoing, and summative, terminal, evaluations, stakeholder involvement, qualitative and quantitative methods, and the socio-political dynamics of evaluation. You will also be exposed to key models such as the CIPP model, Tyler's objective model, Scriven's goal-free model, Stakes dot, Countenance Model, and Kirkpatrick's 4-level evaluation. The module will analyze how evaluation outcomes shape curriculum change, influence educational accountability, and align curriculum with societal expectations, institutional missions, and your needs. Key areas covered in Module 7. 7.1 Definition and Purpose of Curriculum. Evaluation. Curriculum evaluation is the process of collecting and analyzing data related to curriculum objectives, content, instructional methods, learning outcomes, implementation processes, assessment practices, stakeholder satisfaction, purpose of evaluation, determine effectiveness and relevance, inform decision-making and reforms, ensure accountability to funders, government, and society, foster continuous improvement, enhance learning experiences and outcomes. 7.2 Types of curriculum evaluation. Formative evaluation, conducted during curriculum development or implementation, identifies areas for improvement. Feedback-oriented, includes pilot testing, lesson observations, teacher feedback. Summative evaluation, conducted after full implementation, measures overall effectiveness and impact, supports decisions on adoption, scaling, or abandonment. Diagnostic evaluation, conducted before implementation, assesses your needs, institutional capacity, context conditions. Impact evaluation, measures long-term effects on you, communities, or the economy. Process evaluation, focuses on how the curriculum is delivered, interactions, methods used. 7.3 Evaluation theories and paradigms. Positivist, scientific paradigm. Quantitative, objective, measurable outcomes, e.g., test scores, completion rates. Interpretivist/constructivist paradigm. Qualitative, context-sensitive, focuses on experiences and meanings. Critical theory perspective, focus on power dynamics, marginalization, and transformation in evaluation. 7.4 Curriculum evaluation models. 1. Tyler's objectives model. 1949. Evaluation is based on assessing if objectives were achieved. Highly structured linear criticism. Too narrow, ignores unintended outcomes. 2. CIPP model, context, input, process, product. Stufflebeam. Context, needs analysis and goal setting. Input, resources and strategy. Process, implementation monitoring. Product, outcome and impact analysis. Most comprehensive and widely used in educational settings. 3. Scriven's goal-free evaluation model evaluates curriculum without predefined objectives, focuses on actual effects and unintended consequences, helps discover hidden outcomes. 4. Stakes Countenance Model considers both intended and unintended outcomes, balances description and judgment, uses antecedents, inputs, transactions, processes, and outcomes, results. 5. Kirkpatrick's 4-level model, commonly used in corporate training, increasingly adapted for education. Level 1. Reaction. Learner satisfaction. Level 2. Learning. Knowledge and skills acquired. Level 3. Behavior. Transfer of learning. Level 4. Results. Organizational or societal impact. 7.5 Steps in the curriculum evaluation process. Define the purpose and scope of the evaluation. Identify stakeholders and involve them in planning. Select an appropriate evaluation model or combination. Determine indicators and data sources, qualitative, quantitative, mixed. Design data collection tools, surveys, interviews, observations, assessments. Conduct fieldwork and collect data. Analyze and interpret data, report findings to stakeholders. Make informed recommendations for improvement or change. 7.6 Tools and instruments for evaluation. Standardized achievement tests, surveys and questionnaires, interview protocols, focus group discussions, observation checklists, learning analytics from LMS systems, document analysis, syllabi, teaching materials, reports. 7.7 Stakeholders in curriculum evaluation. Teachers. Provide practical feedback on classroom implementation. Learners. Offer insights into experience, satisfaction, outcomes. School administrators. Analyze alignment with institutional goals. Curriculum developers. Use data to revise structure and content. Policymakers. Inform funding, reform, national strategy. Parents, community. Reflect societal expectations. 7.8 Challenges in curriculum evaluation. Lack of capacity among evaluators. Inadequate funding and tools. Bias and subjectivity in interpretation. Political interference in reporting. Resistance to change. Due to negative evaluation results. Overemphasis on test scores as sole indicator of success. Inaccessibility of long-term impact data. 7.9 Ethical considerations in evaluation. Informed consent and anonymity. Transparency of purpose and methods. Avoidance of manipulation or coercion. Responsible reporting of negative findings. Sensitivity to cultural and social contexts. 7.1 Linking evaluation to curriculum reform. Evaluation is not an end in itself, but a tool for transformation. Results must feed into revision, professional development, and policy adjustments. A culture of evidence-based practice and reflective professionalism should be cultivated. Learning outcomes for Module 7. By the end of this module, you should be able to define curriculum evaluation and distinguish among its types and purposes. Critically compare various evaluation models and their applications. Design a curriculum evaluation framework using relevant tools and methods. Analyze evaluation data to inform curriculum decisions.